Hey, future tech whizzes! I'm Jessica from Bloom Bubbles, and today we're diving into the amazing world of robots. Ready for a journey into the future? Buckle up, because we've got 5 mind-blowing facts about robots coming your way. First up, robots are like the superheroes of tomorrow. They can help us with all sorts of tasks, from cleaning our homes to exploring distant planets. Get ready to learn more about these incredible helpers in our daily lives. Did you know robots have super senses? Some can see, hear, and even feel with special sensors. It's like they have their very own set of superpowers. Can you imagine the world of robot senses and how they use them to navigate the world around them? Next, space adventures. Robots in space help us explore distant planets and galaxies. They're like our Robo friends on cosmic journeys, sending back information to help scientists unlock the mysteries of the universe. The world of space robots can be quite exciting. Did you know robots can't do anything without coders and programmers? Just like you learn to read and write, amazing people teach robots how to move, talk, and do cool tricks. The world of coding helps these magicians bring robots to life. Our final fact is heartwarming: friendly robot companions. Some robots are designed to be our friends, offering companionship and even helping us learn. It's like having a buddy always ready for an adventure or a game. Can you imagine having a heartwarming robot friend to play with? And there you have it, little tech enthusiasts. 5 cool facts about robots. If you're as excited as I am about the future, hit that like button. Subscribe for more tech-tastic content, and let me know in the comments which robot fact amazed you the most. Until our next tech adventure, stay curious and keep exploring. Bye for now.